My name is Fatma. F-A-T-M-A. Let's learn how to pronounce sound. E, E, A, N, I. The sentence number 1 is, if you are meeting, you should control lip when speaking. If you are meeting, you should control lip when speaking. The word in the sentence is lip and lip. Number 2, my mother said, when I chill, often sleep during sleep. My mother said, when I chill, often sleep during sleep. The word in the sentence is sleep and sleep. Number 3, I beat the jacket by hand for 100,000. I beat the jacket by hand for 100,000. The word in the sentence is beat and beat. Number 4, don't let your dream dim just because of people reports. Don't let your dream dim just because of people reports. The word in the sentence is dream and dim. Number 5, I saw this big bird and has a long beak for 2 million. I saw this big bird and has a long beak for 2 million. The word in the sentence is big and big. When you are sick, you have speak to the teacher and go to the UKS. When you are sick, you have speak to the teacher and go to the UKS. The word in the sentence is sick and speak. Number 7, she took a sip of the milk sip for body healthy. She took a sip of the milk sip for the body healthy. The word in the sentence is sleep, sip and sip. Number 8, please throw those rotten beans in the bin. Please throw those rotten beans in the bin. The word in the sentence is bean and bin. Number 9, if you are one hill, use your soul, you can go to hill to see many trees. If you are one hill, your soul, you can go to hill to see so many trees. The word in the sentence is hill and hill. Number 10, it takes a bit playing to beat the opposing team. It takes a bit playing to beat the opposing team. The word in the sentence is beat and beat. Number 11, for a least volleyball match, request at least 5 people. For a least volleyball match, request at least 5 people. The word in the sentence is least and least. Number 12, a cup of coffee with a lid for Hafsah because she led meeting today. A cup of coffee with a lid for Hafsah because she led meeting today. The word in the sentence is lead and lead. Number 13, don't live a life because a broken heart. Don't live a life because a broken heart. The word in the sentence is live and. Number 14, I read the window when my younger sister read a book. I read the window when my younger sister read a book. The word in the sentence is read and read. Number 15. Randy hid ice cup in his water the which is thirsty. Randy hid ice cup in his water to which he is thirsty. The word in the sentence is hid and hid. Number 1. Gaza get ruler for great table length. Gaza get ruler for great table length. The word in the sentence is get and great. Number 2. Kenneth send goods on Sunday. Kenneth send goods on Sunday. The word in the sentence is send and Sunday. Number 3. Nusa lent his news camera and laid in the living room. Nusa lent his news camera and laid in the living room. The word in the sentence is lent and laid. Number 4. Wait till my clothes wet, then leave this place. Wait till my clothes wet, then leave this place. The word in the sentence is wait and wet. Number 5. Rent this set for our new product set. Rent this set for our new product set. The word in the sentence is set and say. Number 6. My father sailed at night, so he could sell fish in the market. My father sailed at night, so he could sell fish in the market. The word in the sentence is sail and sell. Number 7. The chef tests the tasting test of the food. The chef tests the tasting test of the food. The word in the sentence is test and test. Number 8. I sent a letter for him to remember me later. I sent a letter for him to remember me later. The word in the sentence is letter and later. Number 9. This had accessories made in China. This had accessories made in China. The word in the sentence is had and made. Number 10. My leg slipped while in the leg. My leg slipped while in the leg. The word in the sentence is leg and leg. Number 11. Mother raised things to use while in the rest area. Mother raised things to use while in the rest area. The word in the sentence is raise and raise. Number 12. I bought a plain pen for writing a statement for the teacher. I bought a plain pen for writing a statement for the teacher. The word in the sentence is plain and pen. Number 13. Train self-sail for the next 10 years. Train self-sails for the next 10 years. The word in the sentence is train and 10. Number 14. The bamboo braid for the braid container. the bamboo braid for the bread container. The word in the sentence is bread and bread. Number 15. The lace that was bought was not lace to make clothes. The lace that was bought was not lace to make clothes. The word in the sentence is lace and lace. The sentence number 1 is I meet all friends in party and I love. I meet all friends in party and I love. The word in the sentence is meet and love. Number 2, I visit Malang with my man. I visit Malang with my man. The word in the sentence is visit and man. Number 3, Lila clean the head accessories. Lila clean the head accessories. The word in the sentence is clean and head. Number 4, Rara see the new bag from Eger. Rara see the new bag from Eger. The word in the sentence is see and bag. Number 5, my neighbor plant a new peach plant. My neighbor plant a new peach plant. The word in the sentence is peach plant. Number 6, I sit in the bank for wait line customer service. I sit in the bank for wait line customer service. The word in the sentence is sit and bank. Number 7, I need backpack for mountain climb. I need backpack for mountain climbing. The word in the sentence is need and backpack. Number 8, I want drink new coffee and I ask the waiters. I want drink new coffee and I ask the waiters. The word in the sentence is Number 9, entrepreneur have seek ask for the audience. Entrepreneur have seek ask for the audience. The word in the sentence is seek ask. Number 10, my younger sister like green tea than coffee. My younger sister like green tea than coffee. The word in the sentence is green tea than. Number 11, clean the windows and put up the curtains. Clean the windows and put up the curtains. The word in the sentence is clean and. Number 12, my dad bought a cheap bus for my birthday present. My dad bought a cheap bus for my birthday present. The word in the sentence is cheap bus. Number 13, with the main ingredient of cheese, the second batch race began. With the main ingredient of cheese, the second batch race began. The word in the sentence is cheese batch. Number 14, Lisa add milk with sauce to a good more taste. Lisa add milk with sauce to a good more taste. The word in the sentence is add milk. Number 15, my little brother download fish game on the app. My little brother download fish game on the app. The word in the sentence is fish and app. That's all. Thank you.